Hey guys, welcome back to the Chronicles of Elmo. I know we haven't made a video in a while. I hope everyone's staying safe during all this COVID-19 coronavirus. Well, we're back here with another video. We got Elmo here, and we picked up this iRobot Roomba, and we weren't sponsored. We just so happened to buy one. And as you guys have seen in the previous video, Elmo doesn't quite like vacuums. So we're going to see how he deals with this robot vacuum. So this is Dog Reacts to the Vacuum Part 2. Alright, so here's Elmo. Just relaxing.
It's connecting. Alright.
Pet.
Elmo!
What is that, Elmo? What is that? What is that? Protect us, Elmo, from the crazy robot vacuum. What's that? Where's it going? Go get it.
Our mask.
What's that? What is it? You got some bass in your voice.
It's stuck in the chair.
There it comes. It's come back out. And Elmo's on the road.
What is it, Elmo? What is it?
Stuck in the chair. Oh, there it goes.
Another chair. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Moody? Where'd
Where's
it go?
Elmo?
He's like, where did he see?
Oh, there it is. There it is.
I'm surprised his hair's not sticky enough.
I know.
What is it, Moody? What is it?
What do you think, Elmo? What do you think? What do you think, Elmo? You want to go back to your bone? You want to go back to your bone? Well, I think there we have it. He doesn't seem to like that vacuum either. Hey. Alright, guys. On that note, stay safe, stay home, stay indoors, stay healthy.